We founded the company PowerUP in 2016. An important element for our business story was the close cooperation with the company ECI, who are delivering the spare parts for our overhauls and repairs. The focus when we're doing these jobs on overhaul and repairs is always very focused on the customer needs in terms of efficiency, output and reliability. We are a company who wants to very closely work together with the customer, as we need to do things differently than others. This is our differentiation. So we focus on a condition-based overhauling concept. We can do the standard overhauling program, of course, as well, but I'm always offering the customers to be flexible and optimize the scope of supply, which helps them to optimize their numbers. So this is my offer to every customer, to do a jointly cooperation in optimizing the overhaul scope, which helps them to optimize their numbers, although we are not making a compromise on quality. In order to do more of what we have done successfully already in the past, we are having two main new developments soon coming up. Number one is we are doubling our capacity in our repair shop with moving to our new facility here in Stans in Tyrol. And everybody is excited to very soon start their operation here with this new nice facility. And another very important step for future growth is for us the competence center, which will be rolled out very soon, which is an important element for our customers to be always available for their needs if they are running and operating equipment over the lifetime of the engines. What PowerUP can promise you is that we tailor our service solutions to your needs.